Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the ocean. Oh, so sandy.
Come on, Mike.
My socks are so sandy.
Hey, coming down?
We're getting close to the ocean.
We're heading to Pacific.
Whoa! Woo! Hot dog. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna get hit by water soon. Huh? Oh yeah, look for shark's teeth, guys. If you spot any shark teeth, tell me. Check that out.
Here come.
Yeah, come at me! Come at me! Stop, punk. Yeah.
Walk down the rocks back.
Alright, guys. Yep, this is fun. So this is what it's like to live in LA. Live in the rich life. Living in LA. Living in the rich life. Where you got it? Living in the rich life in LA. Living in the rich life, LA. Woo! That one. Alright, well, I'm going to end it here. As always, have a killer day. Woo!